Let's look at some examples using the percent proportion. So here are two forms of the percent proportion, like we've been studying. So we have the is over of equals percent over 100, which is equivalent to the percent over 100. So again, this is writing the percent as a fraction. So the percent hundredths equals part over whole. So remember, the part is similar to the is, and the whole is similar to the of. So when we have these examples, that when it's just asking you for the straight what is something percent of something, then it's very clear what the part and what the whole are. So let's look at this first example. What is 40% of 90? So the is will go on top, and that says what? So that will be our x. Then the of will go underneath that, and we have of 90. So we'll write 90 underneath, and that's going to be equal. And then we have 40%. Notice how I said 40 per, because this bar is also a per, cent, because that's also hundredths. So there is our proportion for that first one. Then we could cross multiply and divide. Okay, the next one. 1 is 5% of what number? So 1 is the is, 5%. We just write as a fraction. We always grab that percent and we put it over 100. And then of what? Of what? So there's our proportion there. Okay. What percent of 90 is 30? So is over of. And then what percent? That's how we write that proportion. What is 10% of 320? So is what? So what is, and then 10% of 320 is over of, percent over 100. What is 150% of 50? So we have what is, that's the x, of 50 and 150%. And 70 is 10% of what? So that's how we set up our percent proportions.